The moment I let go of the outcome, the painting found its direction. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today we'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using tropical blue as the base. This color sets the tone for the entire painting. It is bright, vibrant, and full of life, almost like sunlight reflecting on clear water. Tropical blue has a way of making the canvas feel open and energized before any other color even touches the surface. From there, I will begin layering white and bold secondary colors to see how the composition develops and where the movement leads. Once the tropical blue was set, I added white acrylic paint to form what I envisioned as soft clouds. I directed the air from the blow dryer across the surface, watching the white stretch and move. I was aiming for something light and airy, but the paint had a different response. The shapes became more expressive and abstract than planned, and the composition started to move in a new direction. As everything settled, I began to notice the open areas left behind. The negative space became more visible, creating breathing room across the canvas. Some of that openness felt intentional, but some of it called for more presence. So I added more puddles of green, violet, and orange, placing them carefully in the areas where the canvas felt quiet and unfinished. The green carried a sense of renewal and balance, like something beginning again. The violet brought imagination and reflection to the composition, softening the boldness of the surrounding tones. The orange introduced warmth and creative energy, lifting the surface with a subtle spark. I allowed the colors to rest on the painting for a moment before guiding them any further, letting them settle naturally so their character could fully emerge before I touched the surface again. The orange naturally started to stand out. It drew the eye without trying, becoming the quiet focal point in the entire piece. Then I picked up my skewer and gently drew it through the surface of the paint, allowing the tip to glide rather than press. I was not carving harsh lines into the composition, but guiding the movement that was already waiting to unfold. The paint shifted softly beneath my hand, stretching and folding in response to even the lightest touch. As the colors began to merge, I realized the surface still needed more presence. The composition felt closed, yet not complete, so I returned with additional puddles of paint, layering them carefully into the open spaces. I guided the skewer through the paint again, this time with deeper intention, encouraging the new colors to weave into what was already there until the balance began to feel right. After working the surface with the skewer, I lifted a 10 by 20 inch canvas and slowly began to tilt it. I moved it forward first, then gently from side to side, watching the paint stretch and settle. The colors shifted together, finding new position as gravity guided them across the surface. Green drifted to violet, orange curved through the blue, and the white just totally disappeared. With each small adjustment, the composition began to feel more unified. I wasn't rushing it. I allowed the movement to happen gradually, stopping when the paint finally felt balanced and complete. As I move in for the close-up, the details begin to reveal themselves. Up close, the painting feels like an orchestra, with every color playing its own part. The tropical blue carries the steady rhythm, the green and the violet weave through like harmony, and the orange rises with bright notes of energy. No single color overwhelms the other. Instead, they respond to one another, creating balance through contrast and movement. Together, they form something unified, a composition that works because every element has its place. And this is where the painting finally came together. Not what I planned, but exactly what it needed to be. If you enjoyed watching this process, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more satisfying art. And remember, keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.